All right, so what we made in Ms. Hickman's class was an infomercial, which is a conglomeration of all the research skills we learned and implemented throughout the semester.
Have you or someone you know struggled on a research paper? Have you broken down, gone completely crazy, or been charged with property damage? Then the Do-It-Yourself Research Guide informational pamphlet is the perfect thing for you.
You look like you need help. Take this.
Let's see what some of these students are so confused about.
What's the matter with kids today? How much longer can this injustice continue? What's the point? If someone owns a piece of land, do they own it all the way to the center of the earth?
Now let's explain what's in our pamphlet.
Our poster is about inquiry and reflection, and we're using the example of Sherlock to help explain inquiry. We chose to explain by using magnifying glasses with implied meaning, context, and reflection. Reflection is to form your own opinion. So by looking at the context, clues, and evidence and implied meaning, you can form your opinions about what you're researching.
This part of the pamphlet focuses on information literacy. That has to do with finding credible sources, finding evidence ethically, analyzing evidence, and citing evidence. And in the pamphlet, you'll find this tree with different branches that talks about ways to find information literacy correctly.
Let's see how much our pamphlets have helped our students.
Research writing for dummies, this has been the best thing I could have asked for. I mean, oh my gosh, it just has everything that I need, honestly. I mean, I could not praise this more.
Everything I have is thanks to this good pamphlet. Truly, it saved me.
Like, my research writing has improved ginormously because of this little gem.
Dante, what are you doing?
This is a practice shot.
I don't care, do it right.
You look like you need help. Take this.
Dante!
That hurt my foot.
You're...
Okay.